Just 13 minutes ago, a 5.4 magnitude earthquake struck near Digos, Davao del Sur, Davao, Philippines. The tremor was recorded in the afternoon on Monday, August 15, 2022, at 4:23 p.m. local time, at a shallow depth of 10 kilometers below the surface. The event was filed by the German Research Center for Geosciences, (GFZ), the first seismological agency to report it. A second report was later issued by the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology, PHIVOLCS, which listed it as a magnitude 5.6 earthquake. Other agencies reporting the same quake include the citizen-seismograph network of RaspberryShake at magnitude 5.3, and the European Mediterranean Seismological Center, EMSC, at magnitude 5.6.